Hello all, welcome back to another session of mental ability class. Here is the first question: 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. We can add the numerators directly if the denominators are same. Here the denominators are 4 in the both fractions, so we can just add the numerators 1 plus 1 2 and keep the same denominator. So 2 by 4, we can reduce this 2 by 4 as 1 by 2, 2 divided by 2 1, 4 divided by 2 2. To reduce a fraction, just divide the numerator and denominator by a common number. Here we divided both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 by 2 is 1, 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, so we got 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 4 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is equal to 4 by 2. How? Numerator into 4 by same denominator. Numerator is 1, 1 into 4 is 4 by 2. Okay, divided by 1 by 2 into 4. Same process, numerator into 4, 1 into 4 is 4 by denominator is 2. Okay, now any number divided by the same number we know is equal to 1. We know 10 by 10 is equal to 1. 100 by 100 is equal to 1. Why? A number is divided by same number is equal to 1. Okay, here 4 by 2 is divided by 4 by 2. So 1 is the answer. Here option B is 1. Okay. Second question: difference between lowest 4-digit number and greatest 3-digit number is dash. Lowest 4-digit number is 1000. Greatest 3-digit number, which is greatest 3-digit number? 999. Okay, so the difference between 1000 and 999 is 1, right? So D is the answer. Here 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2. Firstly, multiply the datas inside the bracket. Do the operations inside the bracket first. 2 plus 2, 4 into 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16 is the answer. Option B is 16. Fourth question: by what number 6 2 by 5 be multiplied to get 16? 6 2 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. We can convert this mixed fraction into normal fraction by 5 into 6. Denominator into this whole number. 5 into 6 is 30 plus this numerator by denominator, that is 32 by 5. So this is our number 32 by 5. By what number 32 by 5 be multiplied to get 16? So 32 by 5 is the number. We need to multiply this number by a number to get 16. So to get 16, 5 by 2 will be the answer. Why? While multiplying 5 by 2, these 5's got cancelled. 32 by 2 is 16. Okay, so 5 by 2, option B is the correct answer. A quadrilateral whose all angles are right angle is dash. Rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus. This is rectangle. Here opposite sides are equal. This side and this side is equal. These two are equal. Angles are 90 degree. All the four interior angles are 90 degree. So this is rectangle. Now what is trapezium? Sorry. Okay, this is trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel, where these are not parallel. Okay, so this is trapezium. Here you can see the interior angles are not 90 degree. Okay, in the case of parallelogram, parallelogram is just a tilted version of this rectangle, because the opposite sides are parallel here. Here also these two sides are parallel and equal. These two sides are also equal and parallel, but here the interior angles are not 90 degree. Okay, now in the case of rhombus, this is rhombus. Here the opposite sides are equal. All the sides are actually equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay, actually rhombus is a tilted version of square. We know in square all the four sides are equal. This rhombus is a tilted version of square. You can see that here the angles are not 90 degree. So from the four figures we can see that only a rectangle has all the angles are right angle or 90 degree. So rectangle is the correct answer. Largest chord of a circle is diameter. Diameter is the largest chord of circle. Area of a square with side 7 centimeter. We know an equation for finding area of square. Area is equal to side into side. Here side is 7 centimeter. 7 into 7 is equal to 49 centimeter square. Here actually no unit, so 49 is the answer.